World Philosophy Day, we celebrate philosophy's unique capacity to shape societies, influence governments, and guide nations toward justice and democracy. In Bangladesh, the question of whether to reform or rewrite our 1972 Constitution is a profound issue that cuts to the heart of our democratic